Alright, I'm not sure if this is episode 1 or episode 37. This is my 1941 Chevrolet panel delivery truck. This is the now 2-year-old TCI suspension. Rack and pinion is just loosely bolted on right now, and obviously we got a little bit of surface rust. Not overly concerned about that yet, but today's goal is to get this mock-up small block Chevrolet motor and the turbo 350 transmission in here. Last time we worked on this, which was about 2 years ago, we got the custom built 9-inch Ford Red by total cost involved. Hopefully there's somebody on the way over here to help. Anyway, this was installed. We don't have the bolts going through to hold the shock mount in place yet. But anyway, we got a good bit done to it. See what we can get done today.
Turn that fan, Tom.
Gotcha.
Turn it on. Like baking cookies. Doesn't burn, dude.
Okay, so here's the update of what we had got done today. What we finished. And it's been a long day. So anyway, motor mounts are in. Transmission is in. Zip. Rear end was already in from a little over 2 years ago. What we're going to do is see if Ira Peavy can make me a bracket here to here. I didn't want to just scab something over here. So we got to finish bolting in the rack and pinion. Paul did get a chance to tack weld this piece. Still a little bit more welding to go, of course clean it up, but if it's tacked on, it doesn't get lost. I think we'll be able to reuse the original firewall, which we had cut out, and we were going to use the straight 6 in it. May not look like much, but again, this is just a junk motor we're using to mock up. A lot of hours just to put a few welds in. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully within the next few weeks we'll have a little bit more progress on it. Original Ford, we'll have to cut the middle part out. We didn't lower the motor and transmission quite as much as we did. We had the 305 and 700 R4 in it. But anyway, that's it. Make sure y'all give us a like and thumbs up if you want to stay subscribed to it and see the progress of it.